In this video, I'll guide you into a beginner-friendly explanation of what crypto wallets are and how to use them. If you're new to crypto or have heard the term crypto wallet and wondered, what is a crypto wallet? You've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a crypto wallet is, how it works, and the different types of crypto wallets available. We'll also discuss important security considerations so you can confidently manage your digital assets. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Owl Prof channel, where we explore the latest in digital finance and cryptocurrency. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a crypto wallet? You might picture a physical wallet, but a crypto wallet, or crypto coin wallet, is actually a piece of software. It can be an app on your phone, an extension in your web browser, or even a physical device. Now, here's a key point. Crypto wallets don't actually store your cryptocurrency. Think of it like this. Your cryptocurrency exists on the blockchain, a secure and decentralized digital ledger. Your crypto wallet acts like a key to access your crypto on the blockchain. It holds your public and private keys, which are like your account number and password, just like a combination of an account number and a password. When you need to send or receive crypto, your wallet uses these keys to securely authorize transactions. Let's break down how crypto wallets work using an example. Imagine you want to send some Bitcoin to a friend. Here's the process. Your friend gives you their Bitcoin wallet address, which is their public key, kind of like their account number. You open your crypto wallet and input your friend's address and the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Your wallet uses your private key to sign the transaction. This digital signature proves that you're the owner of the funds and authorizes the transfer. The signed transaction is broadcast to the blockchain network. Miners on the network verify the transaction and add it to the blockchain, updating the balances of both your wallet and your friend's wallet. In short, crypto wallets make transactions secure and straightforward. Now, let's explore the different types of crypto wallet. Broadly speaking, crypto wallets are categorized as either hot wallets or cold wallets based on their connection to the internet. First is the hot wallets. These wallets are connected to the internet, which makes them convenient for frequent transactions. However, this also makes them more vulnerable to hacking. Examples of hot wallets include downloadable software wallets for computer. There's also the web wallets, which are accessed through your web browser. Then, there are also cryptocurrency wallet apps, which are specifically designed for smartphones. The second type of crypto wallets are called cold wallets. These wallets are kept offline, making them much more secure for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. However, they're less convenient for regular transactions. Examples of cold wallets include hardware wallets, which are physical devices that look like USB drives. Popular options include Ledger and Trezor. There's also paper wallets, which involves printing your public and private keys on paper. They're considered outdated and not recommended due to potential security risks. Another important distinction is custodial versus non-custodial wallets. Custodial wallets are a third party, like a crypto exchange, which manages your private keys for you. This can be convenient, but it means you don't have full control over your funds. Non-custodial wallets, on the other hand, allows you to hold your own private keys, giving you complete control over your cryptocurrency. Before we choose the best wallet for your crypto, if you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more cryptocurrency tips. Thank you. Choosing the best wallet for crypto. With so many options available, choosing the best crypto wallet can be daunting. Here are some key factors to consider. How secure is the wallet? Does it offer features like two-factor authentication? Do you need to access your funds frequently? If so, then get a hot wallet. But if you're looking for long-term storage, then get a cold wallet. Does the wallet support the cryptocurrencies you want to use? Is the wallet easy to use and navigate? Some wallets are free, like crypto apps, while others require a purchase, like hardware wallets. Now that you have a better understanding of what crypto wallets are and how they work, you're one step closer to becoming a confident crypto user. If you want to take your security to the next level and learn about hardware wallets, check out this video right here.